Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Cheating Wife Turns Violent After Finally Getting Exposed.
No! No! No!
When her husband goes through her phone and finds her cheating with another man, she has a complete meltdown, attacking him with a knife and destroying their home. When officers arrive, she cares more about hiding her messages from her partner than she does about her arrest.
Go get my phone! No! Go get my fucking phone!
Put that down! Put it down!
No.
Put it down!
No.
Lacey, put it down.
You got me f***ed up.
Lacey, put it down.
No.
Lacey, put it down.
No.
Lacey, please.
He's the one that...
Okay, let me talk to you. Lacey, put that down. Lacey, put it down. Lacey, don't go back in there.
Come back.
Lacey, put it down.
Get the fuck away from me.
Come back down.
Get the fuck away from me. Stop. Stop. I will cooperate. I'll cooperate. Stop. I'll cooperate.
Lacey, put your hand behind your back.
I'll cooperate.
Place your right
Put
hand.
your hand behind your
Let me
back.
go and I'll
Place your
cooperate.
right hand
Let
behind
me
your back.
go. I'll cooperate. I'll cooperate.
Damn, guys, y'all got a lot of fabric right there, and she got a cigarette in her hand. Come on, guys, gotta use our noggin a little bit, man.
I will do it. I'll do it.
Give me your arm. Place it behind your back. Place it behind your back. Do it now.
I said I'll do it. I'll do it.
Lacey, stop.
Lacey, you're gonna get dog bit if you don't comply. Okay? You're gonna get bit by canine.
Lacey, stop.
No.
Stop.
I said no.
Okay,
I said no.
let's go.
No.
Oh, good boy.
No.
He ready to work.
This is bullshit. Stop.
Oh shit.
Okay, stop. Okay, get it calm down. Okay, please stop. My arm. Please hurt. My arm hurts. Okay.
Damn, she threw shit all over the place. Imagine that. She the one that get caught cheating and she go ballistic. Ain't this something?
Let me fix your cuffs now since you calmed down.
Thank you. Can you please, one of you nice gentlemen, get my fucking phone from this piece of shit? Fuck you.
Hey, quit it. Fix it. Make it fix it.
Fuck you. Get my phone, please. He's gonna use my phone against me. Can you please get my phone? Mr. Gentleman, right there. Can you get my fucking phone?
We'll get your phone.
It's laying on the bed. Can you please go get my phone?
As long
Please
as
go
you
get it before he does. Before he goes get my phone.
Right now, we gotta get your. Stop. Just stop.
Take these cuffs off me. No. I'm not the one you're even worried about.
Do you have anything that should hurt us?
Yeah, all of it. Baby, my pussy. There you go. Put my fucking phone in your pocket, please. Get my phone. Can somebody go get my fucking phone?
Can you get up
Get my fucking phone.
What are you gonna do with it?
Go get my phone, honey. Please go get my phone. Get my phone.
Listen to me. I'm gonna search you in the back of my hand, okay?
Honey,
I'm gonna search you in the back of my hand, okay?
you search me all you want. I got nothing on me. I'm not the fucking worst thing that you worry about. And I'm the victim. I'm the one getting fucking wrapped up. That's cute. That's adorable. Go get my fucking phone off the bed. Please, one of you guys, go get my fucking phone off the bed. Any of you? Nobody? Nobody's gonna get my phone. Will you go get my phone, please? Off the bed. It's laying on the fucking bed.
Go take a seat.
Go take my
Go,
phone.
I'll go get it. We'll go get it.
No, go get my phone.
Get in the car.
Go get my fucking phone. He's gonna do
Who you feeding?
Go get my phone.
Who you feeding?
No, go get my fucking phone. No, go get my. Go get my fucking phone.
Everything in here is video now recorded.
Let me talk to him. Why don't you let me talk to him? Hello? Let me talk to him. What the fuck? Hello? Hello? Am I in here? Why won't you talk to me?
Who?
Brad! No! What the fuck? Hello? What the fuck? This is bullshit. Ugh.
You're under arrest, obviously.
Cuffs off here, loosen them up.
Not the way you're acting.
Loosen them down.
If you can relax.
My first fucking rodeo.
If you give us
9 of you? Really? Yikes. You guys are all sexy too. Yeah. What the f?
Yeah, she guilty, man. She guilty, man. This is the second time she done said something sexual, man. The first time they asked her, "Do you have anything that's gonna hurt me?" She said, "Yeah, the kitty cat, my kitty cat. The only way that could hurt you, it might burn you. You know what I'm might burn you, man." And now she trying to come on to the officers. So if there's cheating allegations going on, man, I believe him, man. I believe him. She's too much. Too much. She too much. She all over the place. Damn, man.
I didn't do this shit.
You have a warrant, so you're arrested for that.
Yeah, cute.
Okay.
You know why? Because of him?
Domestic battery for tonight.
Because of him?
That's correct.
No.
And resisting.
Fire.
Okay.
Because of him.
Yes.
Cute.
You have 3 charges.
I'm what? The fucking, am I the assaulter? He's the victim? That's cute.
He's the one that reported it.
That's fucking cute.
And then you ran, so.
You're fucking right, I ran.
I'm trying to find your phone though, okay?
No, you loosen my fucking cuffs.
If you can chill for 5 minutes
No,
without
I
yelling.
did chill for 5 minutes. I've been in here for 5 minutes. No!
See? Just
No!
like that. We're not loosening your cuffs.
I'm not like that.
Put your
I
foot
didn't do anything
Put your foot
wrong.
back in there. We're gonna shut this door. When you relax, we'll loosen your handcuffs.
Will somebody tell me what the is going on?
You're under arrest right now.
Wait, for what?
For domestic, or for a battery,
It's bullshit.
for,
It's bullshit.
for your warrant.
And then, can I talk to him?
No.
No, it's not a thing.
Nope.
Good, so nice. What a piece of shit. Now you can loosen them, are you? You can loosen my fucking cuffs? Hello? Bullshit. Loosen my shit. No! Loosen my shit! Loosen them! I'll get a obstructing an officer, right? I bet. Loosen my shit. You told me you would. After 5 minutes, you told me you fucking would. I said, you told me you would. Open my fucking door. Open my fucking door. You told me you would loosen them. After 5 minutes of me sitting fucking patient. You liar. This bullshit. Homeboy's a liar too. Cheating on me the whole goddamn time. And I get it. I get the fucking... You said you loosen them. You fucking said you loosen them. Loosen my shit.
Can you listen for 1 second?
Listen to what? Him? Being wrong? No. You got the wrong bitch. You got the wrong bitch. He's wrong, not me. But I'll take it. All the charges. Can you please loosen my fucking cuffs and I'll go with you.
You're gonna relax and stop kicking?
No, I'm not gonna fucking relax.
Then we're not gonna listen.
I'm mad. You won't even let me fucking talk to him. I'm mad.
I understand, man.
Okay, I'm fucking livid. This is not the way things are supposed to go. I'm losing my shit.
Can I talk?
No.
Okay, then we're not gonna loosen your cuffs. The way you're acting right now, we're not gonna loosen your cuffs.
Look how he's acting. Just hide and mighty in his fucking house. Nobody cares about what he has to say, right?
You want
He's
more-
the fucking. I'm the victim.
Do you want more charges?
Guys, you guys. No, you guys are paying attention to the wrong one. I just want my shit loosened up.
If you stop kicking and hitting your head and stuff, it will.
Well, what the am I supposed to do? I'm not the one supposed to be arrested.
Well, you have a warrant, so...
Yeah, wonder why. I want you to take a look.
Yeah, but you know the sad part? The sad part about this whole thing is that you call the cops because she's going nuts or whatever the case may be, right? She whipping your ass, okay? Throwing stuff, whatever. But you guys are gonna get back together, okay? That's the reality of the situation. You guys are gonna get back together. So this is a big waste of time. You know why? Because there's already a prior case where she was whipping your ass. She was whipping his ass, man. There's already a prior case. They get back together, it happens again, and now you find out she out there, she out there dropping it like it's hot, man, for everybody, So not only is she beating him, she dropping it like it's hot. It don't get no worse than this, man. The only thing that could get worse is if he end up getting burnt. You know, that's the only thing that could get worse. Because she out there messing with, who knows, bringing something in the household. You might catch something that you can't come back from. And then your ass is grass, man. You done. You're cooked. You're barbecue chicken. So, oh boy, this is crazy.
Look at the real problem. Can you please loosen this shit up?
We will loosen them.
Please.
No.
I'll put him in front of me. I'll be fine. I won't do nothing. I won't do nothing.
No, the way you already started off, we're not doing that.
I won't do nothing. I promise.
Listen to me.
I promise.
Listen to me. I'm just gonna loosen it from now, okay?
Why can't they be in front of me?
Because I'm not doing that with you right now. After what you
I
did.
promise.
After what you did, no.
I promise.
After you fighting us, no.
What can I do to make it seem like I'd be trustworthy?
Hey, listen to me. We're gonna go down to the Rocket Police Department right now. If you can show me your calm by then, we'll take them off you and just
I want them off of my back.
Listen to me.
No!
Okay, cool.
I want them off of my back. Just put them in front of me, man. What the fuck?
Now we're gonna go straight to the
I'm not the one you gotta worry about. It's him.
Put your foot in.
Just take it straight down.
Big baby.
If she goes out of cuffs at the station, she's gonna fight.
Get me out of here now. You better let me smoke a cigarette first. I swear to God, you better let me smoke a cigarette. If you're gonna take the cuffs off me, you better let me f***ing smoke a cigarette. You wouldn't be cooperative to me, I won't be cooperative to you. And fuck that shit. I wanna smoke a f***ing cigarette before I get booked. This is bullshit. Open that fucking door. I was trying.
You're trying what?
Trying to get to the door handle.
Oh, I got it. We'll get you out.
Yeah, the f you will. You wouldn't let me smoke a cigarette or nothing. Unclip me. Asshole. You're the asshole. What's your name anyway? Fuck you.
The suspect was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest alongside her active warrant. If you enjoyed this video,
Yeah, I mean, this is why you don't do nice things for criminals, because you give an inch, they're gonna take a mile, right? They loosen the cuffs, thinking she would be calm. As soon as they loosen the cuff, she's still back on her bull crap. Should have just kept them tight. Who cares? If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.